How to close Degiro account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can close your Degiro account. So in order to close your Degiro account, you'll have to make sure that your account is completely empty. That means you have to transfer all of your funds, or you need to have your balance at zero. Now this means you should hold on no possession, have real-time subscriptions disabled, and all funds should be withdrawn. Once your account is empty, you'll have to contact the service desk by email, who can close your account for you. So basically you'll have to exit out of your Degiro account, and then on the web address bar you need to type in www.degiro.ie. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well, and that's going to directly take you to the official page, and from here you can just go ahead and contact the support team and state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So that's basically how you can close your account on Degiro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.